Hello everyone, this is Khaldan from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this Jura Impreza Z7. It comes to us for a tune-up. So I disassemble the Pro unit and I refurbish it. I actually overhaul it all, like clean it and lubricate all the like moving parts in it. And I replace some of these O-rings, actually all of them. This is some of them, O-rings and group head gasket, and this is the shower screen under there. Put the machine back together, give it 2 cleaning cycles, and I run the scaler 3 times on it. So let's go ahead and test it. I want to make the medium one. This is perfect coming out of this Jura. In the time I'm just using testing beans. It's not the best beans, but let me see how it comes out of there. There you go. It's, I don't know if I can show it. Buck, like, comes 2 pieces, but it's good. I like to test the hot water. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.